We just finished the implementation of our proof of existence palette, and we also integrated it into our runtime through these configurations and implementations of the runtime of the dispatch here inside the runtime. Now we are going to actually use it in our main program. Let's create some blocks and let's dive into the usage of this newly created palette. So let's make some, create a block, and then let's create some claims, and then revoke some claims. Let's do this. Okay, so let's create a new block. Let's say block 2. Let me copy this just to make it simpler down here. So let's say block 2. Okay, block 2. And now the block number will be block 2. And the extrinsic will be like Alice will create some claim. Like, for example, it will be a proof of existence, and it will be a create claim. And the content will be my document. Okay, pretty simple. Let's see, create claim not found. Actually, it is not proof of existence. It's not balances, of course. It's proof of existence called create claim. Is it correct? Create claim and claim. So the name is claim. Okay, perfect. Let's do only this just for now and see what happens to our state. Let's execute block number 2 and see what happens. So here it is, our newly block executed. Now we have this. Remember, before we didn't have anything about the proof of existence palette, but it was empty. But right now there is a claim, my document, that points to Alice. Let's create another claim. Let's say, for example, for Bob, and Bob is claiming, let's say, let me copy this, it will be much easier. And let's say claim is my document too, because if I try to claim the same document, I will get Bob's document. Okay, and let's execute again, and here it is. Bob's document belongs to Bob, my document belongs to Alice. Pretty simple. Now we can call this newly created palette only using blocks and executions. Okay, but still we have a lot of duplication code, we know, and in the next section we will learn some macros magic to avoid all this code duplication and have a very expressive code without too much duplication, and also to help us to develop even faster other palettes if we want.